Hello friends, today we will start the Halloween video. Listen to the story, get chills and creeps. The clown statue. A girl in her teens babysat for a wealthy family one night. The wealthy family had a very large house with many rooms. It was filled with lots of artifacts and old ornaments from all over the world. As the parents were leaving to go out, the father told the girl that once she put the kids down, she must go down to the basement, watch TV there, and not go wandering around the house. Once the kids are asleep, she retires to the basement room to watch TV. However, she cannot concentrate on her show because in the corner of the room there is a life-size clown's statue grinning at her. She finally decides to drape a blanket over the statue so she can ignore it. After a while, she can't stand looking at the clown statue's oversized feet sticking out from under the blanket. She decides to call the father and ask his permission to watch TV in another room because she is freaked out by the giant clown statue in the basement room. Listen very carefully, says the man to the girl. Our children have been complaining about a clown that comes into their room in the middle of the night. We just thought it was nightmares. We don't own a clown statue. You need to get the kids and get out of the house now. I'll call the police. The girl hangs up the phone, turns around to look at the covered clown statue, but all there is a blanket on the floor. She hears steps coming down the basement. Now I will change this story. Now this is all I will tell you for Halloween, and you will have to decide the end of the story. Leave your idea in the comment section below. Happy Halloween!